Hi there. This video will guide you through all of the steps involved in replacing your Samsung Galaxy Note 2 screen glass. Before you begin, make sure you have all the equipment you need. In addition to your screen replacement kit, you'll need a pair of scissors, scotch tape, a hairdryer or heat gun, alcohol-based cleaning solution, and infrared temperature meter, if you have one. You'll also want to prepare the glass removal wire. Simply tie either end of the wire to the two separate metal rings provided. First step, turn off your phone. If you have a screen protector in place, you are ready to begin. If not, it's a good idea to place some scotch tape over the broken part of your screen. This will hold all the small pieces together and ensure that they don't fall onto the phone's LCD. Next, turn the phone over and remove the battery, SIM, and memory card. You can use the prying tools included in the kit to help you. The glass is held to the body of the phone with glue. You will need to melt the glue to remove the glass. You can do this using a hairdryer or heat gun. Slowly heat the edges of your phone. Do not heat it to temperatures in excess of 392 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, as this could cause irreparable damage. If you have an infrared temperature meter, you can use it to monitor the heat levels. If you're using a hairdryer, the heating process may take a while, so be patient. You will know when the glue has melted sufficiently when you are able to carry out the next step. Using the plastic tools provided, begin to gently pry the glass away from the phone. If some of the screen glass has already come away, you may not need to do this step. Once there is a small gap between the glass and the phone, use the removal wire and slide it under the glass. You can then slowly work the wire down from the top to the bottom of the glass slowly, separating it from the body of the phone. If this process becomes difficult, just heat the phone briefly with the hairdryer to loosen up the glue. Once the glass is ready to be fully removed, lift it from the top side until you can see the buttons at the base of the phone. Gently detach the buttons and leave them in the correct position. If the speaker grill comes loose with the broken screen, just pop it out and leave it to one side. You can put it back in the appropriate place on the new screen. There will be some amount of leftover adhesive on the body of the phone and the LCD. Use an alcohol-based cleaning solution and a microfiber cloth to remove it. You'll want to make sure the LCD is as clean as possible before you install the new glass. Once your phone is clean, carefully attach strips of the 1mm tape provided along the edges of the phone. You should also add some very small pieces at the top and bottom, near the earpiece and the buttons. Use the plastic opening tools or tweezers and press down on the tape to make sure it is properly in place. Then use the tweezers to remove the tape backing. Give the LCD screen one last wipe over to remove any dust or fingerprints. Then remove the protective film from the bottom side of the new screen. Be careful not to touch the exposed side, otherwise you can leave dirt on the surface. Starting from the bottom, place the new glass onto the phone, making sure the buttons are in place. Press down gently around the edges of the glass to ensure it's securely attached. Then you can replace the battery, SIM, and memory card, turn the phone back on, and enjoy. Full written instructions are in the description below, along with a link to where you can purchase this product. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave us a comment. Thanks for watching.